To get started, I just imported a video into my project. I'd like to use as a background, as well as a green screen video that I'd like to overlay on top of that background. Now let's begin by dragging our background video onto the timeline. Then drag the green screen video under the track above it. Next, go over to the Effects panel and type Ultra key into the search box. Drag the Ultra key effect under your green screen video on the timeline. Then make sure the green screen video is selected on the timeline and go over it to Effect Controls in here under the Ultra key effect. You'll see this key color setting. Click the color picker dropper next to it and click the green screen in your preview to remove it. Okay, this did a really good job right away, and it probably will for you too. But if it didn't completely remove the green screen, you can expand matte generation and play around with these different settings. Thanks. Okay, that's all for me though, so thanks for watching and see you guys next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.